Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to import Telegram wallet to TonKeeper wallet. First thing first, go ahead and install your TonKeeper wallet from your Play Store. In the meanwhile, you could go ahead and open up your Telegram application, type in wallet on the search box and click on started. When you've actually done with that, you'll be able to see this sort of interface. So click on open wallet. When you actually press on open wallet, you can find this field. Here you need to scroll down a bit and you need to locate for ton beta space recovery. If you're unable to find that, you could also go to Toncoin, and when you are on this page, you could go ahead and click on add crypto. So you could see there is no such thing as import and all that. So there, what you have to do is you need to go ahead and click on the gear icon from the top right, and you'll be able to see when you see the secret fees, then you need to exit out of your Telegram, and then you need to go ahead and open up your TonKeeper wallet. When you open up your TonKeeper wallet, here you have to go ahead and press on import existing wallet. So click on import existing wallet once again, and then here you need to paste in the recovery fees that you've recently copied from your Telegram wallet. And when you've actually done with that procedure and pasted and click on the continue button, on the other field you'll have successfully imported Telegram wallet to TonKeeper. So that's basically how you can import Telegram wallet to TonKeeper. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.